Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to export a WhatsApp group chat without media. This is a great way to save important conversations without including photos, videos, or other files that take up space. Here's how to do it. 1. First, open WhatsApp on your phone or device. 2. Go to the group chat you want to export. 3. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Select More from the list of options. 5. Tap Export Chat. WhatsApp will then ask if you want to include media in the export. Choose Without Media. This ensures only the text-based messages are saved. 7. Now, select how you'd like to save or share the exported chat. You can send it via email, save it to your files, or share it with another app. And that's it. You've successfully exported your WhatsApp group chat without any media. This creates a text file containing all the messages from the group, which you can then store, share, or use however you need. Exporting chats without media is useful for saving storage space and focusing on the textual content of your conversations. It's also a good way to keep a record of important discussions without the distraction of media files.